DJI Avata drone, a powerful and versatile drone that is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. It features a 4K camera that delivers stunning high-quality images and video, making it perfect for professional photographers and videographers. The drone also has a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, which ensures smooth and stable footage even in windy conditions. Additionally, it has a long battery life of up to 30 minutes, making it ideal for longer aerial shoots. And with its easy-to-use, intuitive controls and advanced safety features, the DJI Avata is a top choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage with ease and confidence. Kodak Luma 150 Pocket Projector. This compact and portable projector packs a powerful punch with its 150 lumen brightness and 720 pixels resolution. Perfect for movie nights, presentations, or gaming sessions, the Luma 150 has a built-in speaker and can display up to a 120-inch screen. With its long battery life and ability to connect to various devices via HDMI, USB, and wireless, you'll be able to take your entertainment to the next level wherever you go. So why settle for a small screen when you can have a big screen experience with the Kodak Luma 150 Pocket Projector? Beeline Velo 2, the ultimate GPS bike navigation system. With its sleek and compact design, it easily fits on your handlebars and provides real-time directions to help you find your way. Its customizable maps feature allows you to plan your own routes or choose from pre-existing ones. The Beeline Velo also tracks your speed, distance, and calories burned, making it the perfect companion for any ride. And with its durable waterproof casing, you can ride in any weather without worry. Get lost in the adventure with the Beeline Velo 2. Theragun PRO, the best self-care tool for deep muscle treatment. Its powerful motor delivers up to 60 pounds of force for fast, effective muscle relief. The Pro features a rechargeable battery with a 75-minute runtime, as well as 4 speed options, so you can customize your treatment. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it easy to use, while the quiet motor allows you to use it anywhere. With 6 interchangeable head attachments, the Theragun PRO can target any muscle group for a comprehensive treatment. Get your hands on the Theragun PRO today and experience the ultimate in muscle care. Logitech Litra, a useful portable lighting solution for your photography and videography needs. This compact and lightweight device packs a punch with its powerful LED lights, adjustable brightness, and 3 color temperatures: warm, natural, and cool white. The Litra also features a magnetic base, making it easy to attach to metal surfaces, and a built-in rechargeable battery for on-the-go use. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to elevate your social media content, the Logitech Litra has got you covered. Subscribe for more tech-related content.